Meet a horizontal dual-servo CNC gear grinding machine built for precision and efficiency. CNC control allows spline rolling at multiple positions with varying settings on a single part, increasing productivity. It accommodates tool lengths up to 24 inches, with a maximum workpiece length of 800 millimeters. Achieves high precision with 0.015 millimeters cylindricity and surface roughness between 0.4 and 1.6 micrometers. Capable of rolling splines up to 40 millimeters in diameter and 100 millimeters in length. We are your partner for providing excellent returns on investment with special metalworking solutions.